Hi, I'm Peter from Hughes and Salvidge, and I'm here to tell you why we are one of the premier demolition service providers in the industry. Since 1964, Hughes and Salvidge has provided the complete demolition service by understanding the business needs of our customers. Our complete demolition service incorporates all elements of decommissioning, dismantling, asbestos removal, mechanical demolition, concrete crushing and recycling. Call us at Portsmouth or Huddersfield at an early stage of your project. We'll provide you with the most economically beneficial solution to your scheme. The Hughes and Salvidge award-winning service has been built on specialist expertise and the ability to deliver. Specialists in airport projects and have completed major demolition at sites such as Heathrow and Gatwick since the early 1990s. The cornerstone of our success is having the capacity, capability, competency and experience to complete your project on time and safely. Our commitment to training and health and safety is at the fore of every project, and we are recognised throughout the construction industry for our exemplary record. We carry out demolition with the highest consideration for the environment and actively promote the maximum recycling potential of all our demolition arisings. Our high level of expertise and technical know-how will deliver your demolition project using the latest plant and equipment. Call us today to discuss your project and allow us to demonstrate to you how we've become the demolition delivery partner for major clients throughout the UK.